What's going on, Credit Sniper? This is your boy Carlos Estrada Vega with the best credit blueprint, guys. Today I'm bringing to you a hell of a video, guys. I wanted to show you how to remove, verify negative items from your credit report in 2021. Now stay tuned.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south, I'll be spreading out.
Now guys, welcome back once again. My name is Carlos Estrada Vega with the best credit blueprint, guys. Today we're going to be talking about how to remove verified negative items from your credit report in 2021. There are two different ways, and I want to start by the way that we always done it. But we have an updated version that I'm going to go ahead and go briefly about. That is in our course that will actually give you results in less than 7 to 14 days. Now guys, hey, if you're new on our channel, do not forget to please, become a member, subscribe. Make sure that you like and share. You are going to love this content today, and I guarantee it. At the end, stay tuned because I'm going to give you a little gift. But at the same time, hey, I know you're going to love it. Make sure you like and share with your friends, family, and whoever you want. Now, make sure that at the same time, you click on that bell icon and click on all so that you'll be notified anytime that we post a new comment. But overall, guys, give me the thumbs up. I want to be able to reach many more. My mission is to help many of you, thousands and thousands in the United States, to actually be able to get to the 800 club. Now guys, I want to tell you a little more. You're going to see some shiny things, some plastic going on. I got a touch up in addition to my tattoo. 3 kids, so each line, that's what it means. It means one of my kids, one of my love in life. And I do what I do, and I want to help others is because I want actually a better world, better life for my kids. And that's just one of the things that drives me every single day. But guys, I want to make sure that you guys know that everything that I'm bringing to you is something that I try on me first. And if it doesn't work, trust me, I'm not going to present it to you. So every single trick that you see is part of the best credit blueprint, which is my blueprint. My blueprint I created for myself, and now I'm bringing it to all of you because I want to make sure that I give you a little bit of what I've been able to do, what I've done for myself, and how I went from 595 to an 804 today, and be able to actually get the funding and lending that I want to the terms that I only imagined when I was younger. But guys, let's start with this. All right, guys, first of all, I want you to please do not become one of the many other. Many people actually go into Google and Google dispute letters. Guys, these are the cookie cutter letters. And what I mean by that is the letters that everybody's using. The systems have caught up to that. And guess what? They have a pointage system. So anytime they send one of these letters, they get a pointage system between 20 to an 89. They usually, for these letters, for the cookie cutter, for the 609, 605s and 604s, they get between a 20 to a 29, which means that more than likely that letter is going to go into a software system and will never be escalated to a human. And that's what you want. That's what you want that letter to get to a human, so like that letter is worked out. Now today, none of my letters, the letters that I sent for myself, and none of the letters that my clients and my students have sent have been returned. And today, every inquiry or dispute has actually been positive for them. Now, these letters is letters that we worked. They are proprietary to the best credit blueprint, guys. These letters that we have spent time and money with our attorneys, and we made sure to put them to the trial. So these letters are proven to actually give you 100% guaranteed result. Now guys, you got letters from 1 to 4 in our course, and these are letters that we are able to show you how to send them, where to send them, and who to send them to. Now, they'll be able to help you out. Now, one thing that I want you to understand is when you send these letters, now we could give you the letters within our course, but at the same time, if you are doing you're doing this on your own, and you really want to get one of these cookie cutter letters, please, once you actually put the verbiage, you are not an attorney. Don't try to sound like an attorney. Don't try to sound so sophisticated, because they catch on. And most of the time you sound so crazy that you are not, the system's not able to tell who you are talking about, and more than likely all those letters get trashed. Now, don't ever sign any of these letters. You are not to go and put a wet signature in one of these letters. You are due to actually put your name, type it. All these letters need to be typed and need to be put in there. Specifically, you need to notate the account that you feel that is erroneous on your credit report, and you need to make sure that you notate no more than 3 per letter. So let's just say you have about 6 of them, 6 accounts that you like to dispute. You need to make sure that there's only 3 in each letter. So you have to send out 2 different letters at the same time. When you send these letters, make sure that you send them to the U.S. Postal Service. Why is that? Because when you send it, they need to be certified. And why they need to be certified is because they need to be time-stamped when you send them. The credit bureaus have, by law, have 30 days in order to investigate, see your dispute, and return them to you. So the clock starts at the time that you actually send them out, and this is why you send them out certified. Now, if you ever get any letters back or any correspondence from the credit bureau and say that this was verified, don't ever call them. Don't ever call the bureau and try to fight with them, try to verify the information on the phone. Because one thing you got to keep in mind, there are 4 sub-bureaus. We got LexisNexis, CoreLogic, we got SageStream, and Innovis. Something that you got to keep in mind is that they keep your public record. So what I mean is, anytime that you call, you know that they're actually going to be checking for your IP address, your phone, and everything else. Not only that, many people do call, and guess what they do? See, yes, look, I'm trying to verify information that is not true on my credit report. So they do what they do. They ask you, they try to get you in their trap. They ask you for, okay, well, just let me make sure, let's verify your info real quick to make sure that we're talking to the right person. Once you do that, you already verify the information, and they have what they need in order to leave that negative account in your credit report. Now guys, knowledge and education is one of the big things when it comes to credit. The Best Credit Blueprint will give you that A to Z work plan that give you the blueprint that will help you understand and learn about what credit is, how credit affects you, and how can you affect credit in the positive way. Now, we give you these letters in the system that will go from 1 to 3. The 4th letter in our course will actually, if ever you are not able to remove this information or this negative account from your credit report, it gives you the power to actually bring suit against the credit bureaus. For the most part, anytime one of these things happen, this is when they actually get serious. They don't want to go into a lawsuit with you, but more than likely you are about to win a lawsuit against the credit bureau. So this is something that you got to keep in mind as well. You have the power under the FCRA from 1970, which gives you the control to actually fight and make sure that you out to remove anything that you feel is erroneous or that is not right in your credit report. It is the job of the credit bureaus to then verify and investigate and do the legwork. And most of the time, they don't want to do that. So guys, make sure you learn, make sure you actually stay with this. But let me show you now the second wave of how you can actually remove verify information or negative accounts from your credit report the digital way. All right, guys, the digital way is fairly easy. Now, you need to understand the ins and outs. You need to make sure what you need to put in there. Now, you can go to Credit Karma. Even though that I'm not a fan of Credit Karma has some great tools that will allow you to dispute some of the inquiries and accounts with TransUnion. Now, you can also go to Experian, and through Experian, you can also not only target Experian, but Equifax. You can go to both of these platforms. You can create either a free or a pay account. Now, in my experience, a paid account has more features that will help you be able to dispute more accounts and have some other features that will be able to help you get your credit report and get your credit score on a daily basis. Now, when you go to this platform, there's a dispute tab, which you are allowed to go in. They only will allow you to dispute one item at a time. But the trick here is that once you finish, you can go back and dispute the second one. You can dispute as many as you want. And this is the fastest way. So one of my advice is, when you dispute this, you are allowed to upload a document. You can definitely upload that letter that we give you in the course. Like that, you have more firing power. And this is what has happened in the past with me, to the point that I have 23 credit cards with 1 inquiry in each credit report. Guys, I could show you how to do this process step by step in the Best Credit Blueprint. Now, if you're interested, you want to do it, there's many ways that you can do it. You can do it the analog way, which I call the analog way. It will be the letters. They're still effective. It's just more time consuming. Or you could do it the digital way, which is, in this age, we want the fastest things. We want the things right now. And that's what you get with some of this process. But you need to do it right the first time. Why? Because if they do, remember, you have 30 days. They have 30 days. It is clocked. They see it. They have 30 days. For the most part, they don't take 30 days. They take about 20 something days. And if you don't do it right, you have the chance of that account come back verified. Now, guys, I appreciate that you guys are here today. Please comment. Let me know what you guys want to know. Let me know if you want me to elaborate on something else. Any other topic that you want me to touch on. And by the way, this topic came from one of my students that wanted to know more about it. And as I was explaining it to him and going over with him, I said, why not teach it to everybody else? Let me give you a little piece of advice, and this is what I'm doing today. So guys, I appreciate you guys are here today. If you are new in this channel, do not forget, go ahead and subscribe, like, and share. Make sure you click on that bell icon so that you'll be notified every time that we post new comments. But overall, guys, please help me out. Give me the thumbs up. I want to be able to reach many, many more, and I can only do that with your help. My goal is to help many of you, thousands of you, to reach the 800 club. I want you to become what we call a credit sniper. I've been in the military. I know what a sniper is. I know what it takes. It takes job. It takes consistency. And that's what I want to make sure that you guys are. Stay consistent. Learn take the knowledge. Learn the path. Let me give you that plan that will draw it out for you in order for you to get from point A to point B the fastest way. Until the next time, this is your boy Carlos Estrada Vega with the Best Credit Blueprint, and I'll see you in the next video.
I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. I tell you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them?